what we're picking up from our sources is that Hindustan Coca-Cola Limited, which is one of the bottlers for one of the top brands as far as Coca-Cola, Sprite, etc. is concerned, is planning to retain the prices of these aerated carbonated beverages at the MRP itself. That will be retained is what we're learning from our sources. And now the 40% special GST rate which has been applied to fruit juices categories such as Minute Maid and Maaza, specifically of this brand, and other fruit juices available in the market, those could come under the 40% bracket earlier, which were between the 12 to 18% bracket depending on the category or the kind of fruit juice. And so there could be an expectation of a little bit of a price hike or a price impact. But what Coca-Cola sources are telling us is that Hindustan Coca-Cola will be absorbing these prices as far as the sugary drinks or fruit drinks are concerned. A notification is also likely from the government side as to what defines these sugary drinks as well, and what is the content and ingredients in terms of percentage that needs to be part of these sugary drinks. Coca-Cola, of course, another update that we have is unlikely to change the prices of even Maaza and Minute Maid is what we're learning. They will be absorbing them and retaining the prices at current MRPs. Apart from that, prices of their packaged drinking water, Kinley, is going to be slashed very, very soon in the next couple of weeks ahead of the 22nd September GST rate rejig. Now, just for context, 40% GST will apply to all non-alcoholic beverages according to the GST announcement made by the government, and GST on 20-litre bottles cut from 12% to 5% during this round of GST rate cuts.
Thank